It's Dani again on Editor X, the web creation platform for design freaks like me. I'm back again to show you how you can take something as basic as a navigation menu and apply custom style changes to really make it unique. This is the site I've been working on. I created the design using a layouter, which is a flex tool that adapts to every screen size. I think this header looks a bit crowded on the mobile version, so I hide these shapes and move my logo to the left. Much better. Style changes made on Editor X only roll over to smaller breakpoints, so the edits I made won't affect what my header looks like on tablet and desktop. All right, time to have some fun with my menu. To start editing, I'll click Open Menu and use the Inspector panel on the right. Here, I can control the exact size, position, and behavior of any element. I already set it to black and added some links to my Behance and Instagram accounts here. I want to make the open menu wider, that it covers half of the page. So I'll set it to 50 viewport width. Let's increase the opacity of the background a little bit, just eyeballing here. Okay, so to add my pages to the menu, I'll click this home button that appears on every menu by default. From Manage menu, I'll choose the pages I want to add. Let's add them all. Boom. All right, I'm ready to customize the text. I'll head over to Design to select a font. This one is cool. And set the font size to 100. I want the text to be gray by default, so I'll choose that here, but I want it to be white when it's selected. And perfect. I click here to align it to the left, and now I'll set it to fixed. Dock it to the left and set the left margin to pixels so that it doesn't move around when I change the viewport. I did the same things for my social links at the top, so they should be good too. I can always edit the size and position on smaller breakpoints if I see it doesn't fit well like this on tablet and mobile. Okay, it's time for me to customize the menu with my own art. I'll start with this transparent video and resize it to fit over most of the text. I want this video to play automatically, without pausing and in a loop. Cool. It's super important that I also set this to fix. Dock it to the left and set the left margin to pixels so that it will always align with the text. I just need to send this to the back. And there you have it. Awesome, right? Let's see what it looks like on a tablet. It's a little too large for this viewport size, so I'll head back to the editor and rearrange things so that they fit together better. Great. I'll probably have to do the same for mobile, so let's check it out. Yep. So I think the font size needs to be much smaller. And I'm not sure this visual works on mobile. So I'll right-click and choose Don't Display. This will hide the element only on mobile. And awesome! So this video is really about turning something ordinary into something super captivating and original. I hope you guys are motivated into being creative with your own custom menus. See you next time!